Hello friends, my name is Adi. Today I am going to do the AM session review. So let's go to the daily chart. We have traded to the sell side liquidity, and the sell side liquidity we was having the new week opening gap or the new day opening gap, you can see. Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. This is where you have to learn something. Whenever we have a bank holiday, you have to mark the sell side liquidity and the buy side liquidity as per to the IPDA. So the Monday is going to start at 19:00 over here to the 00. Okay, it is going to end over here. That's why I have marked this sell side liquidity and this buy side liquidity. I'm not marking the Asia high. This is the 3 days look back liquidity. You can refer this buy side liquidity, but the main liquidity we are going to focus on this one and this one. Okay, on a London session, we have created the low of the day. We have inverted this fair value gap and this fair value gap. We have a little bit market structure shift. This is the another market structure shift. This is the London session session liquidity. You are going to refer this thing after market open at 9:30. Whenever you have a bank holiday, you don't have to trade the AM session. It will be choppy and high resistance liquidity run. The fair value gaps and order blocks are not going to support your idea. uh, you can't trade the 1 minute. That's why I totally ignore this price action. Okay, I was knowing where the market is going. I call this level beforehand on my Discord. Let's go to the 1 minute. This is the 7 o'clock to 9:30. It is the pre-market session. In the pre-market session, what I have seen, we have took the sell side liquidity, the low we have created on a 7 o'clock, and this low it has created at 8:30. So that is why I was thinking, okay, the price is going to hold this low, and we have inverted this inverse FVG before the 9:30. This fair value gap is important because it is also aligning with the breaker. And what the 9:30 has done, it tapped to this fair value gap and goes to the pre-market high, and this is the London session high. And after that, you can see you are not going to trade this market. Otherwise, you are going to lose your account and you will be in a drawdown or overtrade. That is the reason I don't trade it the AM session completely. Let's check into the RTH chart. The RTH chart is not telling me anything because we have a big gap down, almost 300 to 400 points. This big gap, okay, and we also have open below the sell side liquidity. So this was the nearest draw on liquidity on a RTH chart, regular trading hour. And if you see, we also tapped to the lower quadrant of lower 25% of opening range gap. This should be the first target. So as soon as the price traded to the 9:30, it already tapped it. So there is no point to trade the AM session, okay, if you have not positioned yourself on this fair value gap. So this is the proof that I have called this level beforehand. This is the sell side liquidity on a 1 minute chart. Okay, I have also shown them a 4 hour FVG and on a in a market. This was the London high and this was the bank holiday high. I call this market beforehand. So even if I know the draw and liquidity and everything, but what is my idea behind the trading? Not to trade, because whenever you have whenever you have a bank holiday, you have to ignore the AM session completely. Otherwise, you are going to caught into the choppy price action like this. Thank you very much for watching this series and have a nice day. Bye bye.